Among the Hidden author biography, we're going to learn a little bit about Margaret Peterson Haddix. She is the author of our new book, Among the Hidden. I actually read it when I was growing up. I liked it a lot. I read a lot of the series. And I think it's going to be something that we're going to be able to kind of apply to our lives right now. And it'll be cool. All right. So Margaret Peterson Haddix was born on April 9th, 1964, and grew up on a farm in Washington Courthouse, Ohio, in the same small town where her ancestors had lived since the early 1800s. She was one of two girls and two boys born to her father and mother, a farmer and a nurse. In school, Haddix enjoyed English, literature, and history, but didn't like schoolwork itself. She hated what she termed busy work, all the mundane, meaningless assignments that took time to finish but really didn't teach her anything. She always knew, however, that she wanted to be a writer. The many adventurous and amusing stories her father told about their ancestors and his friends became her inspiration. She spent much of her free time reading and writing poetry behind closed doors. Haddix was convinced that the only way she would be able to earn a living and still feed her passion for writing was to become a journalist. She attended Miami University in Ohio, where she majored in journalism and creative writing and still found time to write for the school newspaper. She was able to obtain newspaper internships during her summers off, writing for the Urbana Daily Citizen, the Charlotte Observer, and the Indianapolis News. She received her Bachelor of Arts degree in 1986. Miss Haddix remained in Ohio until 1987, when she married Doug Haddix, a newspaper editor. Her first writing job in Indiana was copy editor for the Fort Wayne Journal-Gazette. Shortly afterwards, she began working as a full-time newspaper reporter for the Indianapolis News. When her husband was offered a job in Illinois in 1991, she quit her job at the Indianapolis News to go with him. It had troubled her that she had not taken the time to pursue her desire to become a fiction writer. So when they moved to Illinois, rather than continuing in the journalism field, she worked at various part-time jobs, including teaching English at a community college. It was at that time that she was able to begin work on her first novel, Running Out of Time. That was published in 1995, which was inspired by an article that she had worked on while at the Indianapolis News about a living history museum. Her ingenious story about the inhabitants of a historic restoration who believed they were actually living in the 1840s was an immediate success. This first novel won her many awards, including the ALA Best Books for Young Adults Award. ALA is the American Library Association. Since that first novel, she has written many others, including Don't You Dare Read This, Mrs. Dunphy, published in 1996, the story of an abused teenager, which was inspired by a newspaper article she worked on about neglected and abused children, the Shadow Children series, which is comprised of Among the Hidden, published in 1998, Among the Impostors, and 5 others, and the Missing series, which includes Found, Sent, and 2 others. She has also written Double Identity, Uprising, Torn, The Always Wars, and many other, too numerous to mention. She has received numerous awards throughout her career, including the ALA Best Books for Young Adults Award, an International Reading Association Children's Book Award, and the Quick Pick for Reluctant Readers. Haddix says, I know I have to write a story when the story keeps me awake at night. Teases the back of my brain all day, just won't let me go. Margaret Peterson Haddix lives in a suburb of Columbus, Ohio, with her husband, dog, and their 2 children, Meredith and Connor.